Hello, my name is Mr. LabView. Welcome to my channel. So happy to see you here today. So today we are going to learn some more programming. Yippee! So let's go.
To customize LabView, you can go to Tools menu and then Options. A dialog box appears, and from the left category section, you can set options for front panel, block diagram, control functions palette, environment, search, paths, printing, source control if you are using third-party source control handling software, menu shortcuts, revision history, security, shared variable engine, VI server, web server, and FPGA module. You do not have to edit options manually or know their exact format because the options dialog box does it for you. LabVIEW stores options in a different location on each platform. However, the file format on each platform is similar to other configuration files. It begins with the LabVIEW section marker followed by the option name and the value. LabVIEW stores options in this location: program file, natural instruments, and the LabVIEW version that you are using. So here is the labview.ini file. You can double click it to launch it, and we can see the different options that are stored. These are the ini values, key values, and keys and their values. To use a different or alternate ini file with LabVIEW, you need to go to the folder where LabVIEW is installed. In this case, it is in Program Files, x86, National Instruments LabVIEW 2019. Let's make a copy of the original LabVIEW.ini file. Let's paste it. Let's call it let's call it 2. LabVIEW 2. Let's edit it to include something to show that we are using this ini file. Let's launch it. Let's go to where it is saving the quick drop shortcuts. So let's create a new one. Let's suppose we want to create a new one. Let's copy this one and insert it here, and let's call it, let's put a colon at the end, and let's call it O1 dialog ODG. Let's close it and save it. Let's create a shortcut to LabVIEW.ini file, LabVIEW.exe. Right click, send to, and then desktop create shortcut. Let's go to the desktop. Here is our shortcut. Right click it, go to properties, and in the target file name at the end of the quotation marks put a hyphen, then preferences, and then write the name of the new file that you want to load. Okay, double click it to launch the LabView. LabView launches, initializes. Let's create a new VI, Control N. Let's launch the quick drop, Control space. Once it loads, let's go to configure and let's see if our added shortcut to the ini file is here, which was ODG, which is definitely here, and here is the original one. So this is how you can use LabView with an alternate ini file. Let's go and check in the folder. We can see that the original file has a different timestamp and the new file has a different timestamp. Thanks for watching.